y'all, man. So look, damn, Liz Christie shit, man. We finally got a new whip. We got a new whip, bro. Hold on. This boy hard. Hold on. Yep, this the new whip, man. Hope y'all like it. This is gonna be the new build on the channel, man. I know it's a little different, but we decided to go, a new route. We gonna miss this car right here started everything, but this one gonna finish it. So, yep, that's the new whip. Old whip, you gotta say bye-bye to it. Take one last good look, man. Try not to cry, because I'm trying not to. We really got to peel this off now. I really want to know who gonna buy it. Yeah, man, dang. All empty. This car is at Grand Prairie Ford. Please let me know who buy it. I want to meet him personally. But yeah, this the new car though, man. This we got a big old I got already planned. It's white. We gonna get the Bronco. It's gonna be a lot done to this car right here. We gonna do a lot to it. We gonna get some rims. I'm gonna try to put like some 22s or some 24 Ford Giottos on it. We gonna go that route. I'm gonna get a muffler delete. I'm gonna tint that down. Yeah, we got all my stuff and junk. But yeah, got the red. Yeah, it's gonna be nice though. But remember, my old car is at Grand Prairie Ford. So if anybody buy it, please let me know. It's a good car. It let me down on the tires before, but other than that, it never let me down. So I'ma miss it. Sunroof fully loaded. Hood wrap is wrapped, so this black part could come off. But yeah. Man, that shit popped the flame. You seen that? Now be real, I ain't think I really bought a Bronco, did you? Let me show y'all what I really bought in a minute, because I'm about to pull off, and then when I get there, I'll show it. But because I'm in a hurry, kind of. But I'll show y'all in a minute. So this really the next day. My bad, because I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I was tired. I ended up going home and things. But it's the next day. This is the real car. It's not the Bronco. I was just playing. I was trolling. This the real car. Oh, don't mind my socks and feet. Yes, this the real car. This the real deal. 2025, brand new. Didn't think I got the Bronco. What did y'all? Let me know what y'all think I got though. But yeah, this the new whip, man. And this is David's new whip. He louder than me right now, and I'm so fucking jealous. And that's how I am, mother. Boy, I really am jealous, bro. Cause I fucking passed him earlier. He gonna pass me back, but loud as fuck. I can't be loud as fuck. Lucky motherfucker. But yeah, my boy can't fight. We pony boys now, man. 1, 2, 3 ponies. 3 ponies. Your door still unlocked?
Yeah.
Let me see if it's on. See, I don't got that. He got shit I don't even got. He got that. That's I'm super goddamn jealous of. And he got the cup holder lights. Now let me show y'all. Got the door. I don't have the thing, like the little Mustang thing. Oh. Got the little horse. Got the lights at the bottom. Yeah, this the screen. Let me turn it on. Nice little rumble. It's quiet as fuck right now, like super quiet. But y'all know that's gonna change. Yeah, that's gonna change. And then my boy, he got a channel too. He hasn't been vlogging. I've been on his head about it, but whenever he do it, he do it.
It's in the works, man.
It's in the works. It's in the works, according to him. If he say it is, we're gonna trust his word. But if he ended up making a thing or whatever, by the time I drop this, I'll just put his ad in. But this his drop. Y'all go to his channel when he drop it, because I'm just showing y'all. But yeah, remember, he's the Camaro SS, if some of y'all don't remember. If you know what happened, you know, but now he's a pony boy. What? Yeah, I'm about to wrap this up. I'm gonna make more videos on the information of the car, stuff like that, 0 to 60s, shit I like, don't like, stuff like that. But yeah, it was a short video. That's all I'm gonna have though.